Which can I choose? That's right. I want a cake. Prepare the most delicious cake in the world for me.
No problem.
I came up with a brilliant idea. I need a gum machine. Let's try it. How delicious! Ooh, wait! An idea! I'll put all of this gum into a blender. We need to mix everything up. That's much better! Now, we're putting this mixture into the mold. Great! I got a cake! Cool! Now, let's add some sparkle. My burners are in use here. Chef Grandma, don't worry! Melting the gum. Now, we need a hole in the center. And pouring our melted gum in there. Awesome! Using pink mastic next. Nice! And the bubblegum label on top. Grandma, look!
You're doing great, honey. Strawberries? What a great boy you are. Well, I'm putting strawberries into the pie. Now, moving on to some cherry hint. Incredible! I definitely want hearts on the dough because I really like my grandchildren. Covering the pie. Lovely! It remains to put the pie into the oven.
Whoa! What a fast gritty! Well, I'm putting my cake together. It will be iridescent with vanilla cream. I made all the cakes in different colors. Very nice. Now, cutting off the excess. Like that. Voila! And my chainsaw. Let's cut out the middle.
Chef, please stop!
What? I couldn't hear a thing. Ready. Well. I'm going to need my Skittles candy machine. Pouring each color into the cake. Nice. Covering everything with red mastic. And let's move on to some decor. Warming up it a little. And let's add some fire again. Look at how beautiful it is. Let's put it on top of the cake. Oh, Grandma!
My pie is done too. Smells magical.
Great! Let's start with the pie. I'll try a piece. Wow! It's with strawberries. Cool! Now, let's try this cake. It's so awesome! Look! There's colorful candy inside. Yummy! Skittles! I want to try everything! These are my favorite candies! Awesome! Whoa! What kind of beauty is this? Let's try it! Wow! What is that pink stuff? Yum! It's chewing gum! How cool! Well, a hard choice, but my brother wins! Yoo-hoo! The victory is mine!
Wow, what a cool game! It's so much fun! Do you want to play it too? This is Multi-Do Sword Game. Download it on Google and Apple Store. Play with us!
Now I want spaghetti. Make it delicious for me.
Of course, it's a piece of cake. I already have the perfect pasta. It's small and colorful. Baby Jess will love it. Waiting for the water to boil. 5 minutes.
Ready-made pasta? I expected more from you, chef. I'll make pasta myself. Mixing flour, milk, and an egg in a bottle. Perfect! Squeezing it into the pan. Ready? We don't need it anymore.
Grandma, be careful!
It wasn't me! Well. Let's add all the ingredients. Nuts, honey. Perfect! Oh, Danny, darling, what are you doing? Let me help you. Look. Done! Well, I know I'm a genius.
Thanks, Grandma. You're the best. I need marshmallows. It looks like spaghetti. Decorating everything with marmalade bears and strawberry syrup. How delicious. Everything's ready.
Not bad, Danny. Chef?
I was polishing my glass. Well. I'm putting my pasta into a glass, covering everything with a plate and turning it over. Now, some Parmesan cheese right on top. There's no such thing as a lot of cheese. We can serve it to Jess.
Wow! So many delicious things! I want to start with this pasta. It looks strange. Raising a glass? Interesting. It worked. Now, let's try it. Oh, that's cool. Now, I want to try this pasta with gummies. Looks interesting. Wait, those are marshmallows. How good! I like it. My last pasta looks very delicious. Yum! Grandma's the winner!
Oh, yes! Jess, I love you!
What do I want this time? A cocktail.
Let me think. Oh, an idea! Grandma will make the best cocktail! We need a watermelon! Perfect! I only need half, though.
A watermelon?
Now, mixing everything inside. That's it. Adding some blueberries and raspberries. And ice. Some straws. Ready? Oh, thank you, chef.
Well, that was a comforting round of applause. My cocktail will overshadow everything. Putting ice cream, milk, and marshmallows into a blender. Mixing everything up. Pouring it into a glass and decorating it with liquid marshmallow cream. Next, we're using some cotton candy. Inserting straws and a pink donut. Adding some cream, marshmallows, cream, marshmallows, and lots of other decor. I don't need it.
Great! That's what I needed. Decorating the bucket with sticky caramel. How beautiful it is! Now pouring Fanta inside. This is gonna be good. Inserting a straw, and I'm ready! Hooray! Cocktails! Everything looks great! Interesting! Wow! This straw is edible! Cool! What should I try now? A watermelon cocktail? Awesome! This is so yummy! Every sip is amazing! It's time for the last one! It's so huge! Strawberry flavor! Let's try the cookie! Yum! Well, Chef is definitely the winner!
Oh yeah! That was easy.
That's not fair!
We want to tell you about the new multi-do sword game. This is the best game in the world. You can download it on Google and Apple Store. Let's play together. It will be a lot of fun.